be my Pilates clothes for today. I'm really cold and I didn't have the guts to wear those leggings because they're too cold. Why this is warm? At least I'm going to get warm so quickly when I'm doing Pilates and yoga. And I'm going to do something different. I'm going to do wall Pilates today. If I tried it before. Yeah, let's do this.
Although this is beginner friendly, feel free to have some props nearby in case you'd like to modify. We'll begin in child's pose, walking the hands forward, forehead or cheek to the mat. Option to take the knees wide, and you can place pillow. Just taking a moment here to settle in. On your next exhale, go ahead and walk the hands over towards the left for a gentle side stretch.
Back down nice and slow. The shoulder blades.
Oh, child. Oh my gosh.
Up.
Guess what just happened? I have broken my tripod. This has broken. This can't go down anymore. Do you know what happened? It's my heavy-handedness. Does that make sense? I'm too heavy-handed. I am just too heavy-handed to be handling stuff. I'm going to be using this wobbly tripod. The tripod itself is not really that stable, so most of the time my video is always not straight. Oh, this is more work for me. I don't want to feel how I did last night. Oh, it's cold. I want to feel when my heart is dripping. This is Jensen Essence water. I don't want to feel. Oh gosh, that's cold. It's cold. This is one thing about winter. Every damn thing is cold. Your bed is cold. Your panties is cold. Everything you touch is cold. Your skincare is cold. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Next one. Snake Music. If you haven't heard of this product, I understand why you haven't bought it, because it's very moisturizing and it's perfect for winter and it's perfect for sensitive skin. Oh, I feel like it's important to always listen to your body, because your body's telling you you need to go to bed early and you're staying up at night. You need to listen to your body. Like yesterday, my body was telling me I need to go to bed early. And I did, so I had a very good amount of sleep. Now, I don't really feel the migraine I was feeling yesterday. But I think I'm about to start my period. But not even just me, when I'm about to see my period, I tend to have like headaches or migraine. So I think my period is near. This is Pyongyangol. This is a moisturizer. It actually came with a spatula, but you know, I'm too lazy for that. And this right here is my swag. that was smooth. This sunscreen, Biro. I can't pronounce this product. I can't pronounce it. Biro, child. It's really amazing. No, this is not what I want to. This is not what I want to do. Look how I like watery sunscreen. Remember the milk. Look at that. Glowy, soft, moisturizing. Pap, pap, pap. OTT, casual. I'm just going down the road. I don't really need to be dressy. So for shopping list, I need more eggs. I need milk. Let's see if I have enough rice. I like to use the sushi rice. I tend to cook like Korean food when I'm going to work, but when I'm back in my mom's place, I cook like African dish. I need a light soy sauce, ramen, noodles, yogurt, cabbage, carrots, spring onions. I forgot this twice when I did my shopping list last time. That is important. I don't know about you, but when I chew gum and I make this noise, hold on, let me chew it for you. I feel like a baby. I really hate when it rains in the UK, especially in London. It just tastes so bad. It has this smell. I think it's because of all the weeing and peeing pulling from dogs and, you know, foxes. Oh, by the way, foxes are a thing here, especially where I live. Like, they run the streets. They'll look at you in the eye, dead in the eye, and still stay where they are. I picked up some few things. I got onesie. It's currently on sales. I think it's $7.99, and this is $9.99 in fleas. And some socks. Still don't know if I'm gonna get it because all I just wanted was grocery shopping. If you've never tried these biscuits, you need to try it. Asda. Go to Asda. I am back and I'm hungry. I need to eat something and I forgot I need to be somewhere today. Let me eat this. Did I wash my hands? Did I wash my hands? Hold on, let me wash my hands. I don't know why, but I felt like people were staring at me today for some reason. A lot. I'm just dressed casually. I'm not really wearing anything special. Put all this blushery away and eat. I 100% recommend having Jamaican ginger cake and double cream as a dessert. You will not regret it. Trust me. This is the onesie I bought yesterday from Lidl. I am a messy cook, so sometimes I do cook and clean at the same time, so I won't be sleeping in the kitchen.
Japchae is stir-fried starch noodles with lots of veggies, and it's one of the most popular Korean traditional foods.
I remember when I was little, my auntie used to laugh at me when I used to say I'm going to cook a dish with sugar. But now as an adult, I'm actually using sugar to cook a Korean dish. That's so funny. I am so bloody late, guys. Really late. I need to be attending my work dinner around 6. It's 4 something. And guess what? I didn't even go to work today. You notice something? My hair is bouncy. It wasn't looking good like this when I did on Sunday. I wanted to cry because of this hair. Like, I went on a full rant on TikTok. Here is the video. This is going to be the first and the last time I ever try a straight crochet braids. This is the extension I used. It looks cute. It looks natural. But look at this. Look at this. Just look at that. Look at this. Don't get me wrong, the extension is really nice, but it does not stay. It slips easily when you tie the knot. I tried the invisible method. The problem is, how am I going to maintain this hair? I was not thinking ahead. I'm not going to leave this hair for too long. It's giving me a wear headband for 2 weeks, honestly. Now what I just did now, I cut it like this. I used a straightener to like curl it that way, and I added rollers to it. Now it's bouncing. I look like the 90s babe. Ugh. Anyways, I'm gonna do my makeup quickly. My lips is dry as fuck. This brings me to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment down below in the comment section if you'd love to see more videos like this in future, and I will see you in my next video.